If you are in a tight budget, not getting the sales with ClickBank, or you are a broke beginner, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank product without a website, easy, with free traffic. 100% working method to make $100 commission with ClickBank. Hello everybody, my name is Raj and welcome to my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading the videos on Monday and Thursday. I'm showing you the process, I'm showing you the proof guys, so that you can convert your affiliate offer. And if you're first time watching guys, I highly recommend you to watch few of my more videos. And if this is providing you values, if this is helping you to make money online, do subscribe my channel guys and put that notification on. So smash that like button guys right away, right now. So let me show you my dashboard. So here we are in my ClickBank dashboard guys, and here you can see I am making few of the sales guys with organic traffic, free traffic as well as paid traffic too. So this few of the sales is right coming from the method which I'm going to show you in this video guys, which 100% working, and this is for anybody who is starting out, right? You can make this kinds of right organic traffic money guys, and then you can invest in your paid traffic. So just very easy guys. Do not forget to watch this video till the end guys and smash that like button. This website is known as CB Engine. Here you can see all the new product launched in the ClickBank marketplace, the best gain, gravity, recurring, right, the product which is removed, category voice, vendor voice, all this statistic you can see over here guys. So here what you have to do guys, you have to select this one, ClickBank new product. So it will show you all the new product guys which is launched this month or maybe launched in the last 2 months. Okay, so almost here you can see 34 new affiliate product is launched here in the marketplace of ClickBank. One of the best thing about right promoting a new product is guys, there is no competition over there, right? Nobody is promoting. You can get here and you can select the niche where you are and you can promote those product. Okay, so here you can see this guys, like this is one product called Soul Manifestation is on fire, and you can see the gravity. The moment the product has came, people started promoting it. That's why this is having good gravity. So let's open in a new window over here. Here you can see Soul Manifestation is on fire. And if you go down guys, here you can see this product has been launched this month of 17th. Okay, it's very new. That's why it's having a good gravity, converting very, very well. And you can also see the website from here. So this is their website. Okay, this is maybe their sales page. And also guys, you can check here right in the marketplace of ClickBank, right, Soul Manifestation, and here is the product. Okay, here you can see the average $20 you can make by promoting this product, as well as 66.66 is the gravity right now. Okay, it's a very new product. You can check the affiliate, you can check all the pages and all these things. Okay, now the thing is guys, how you gonna promote this? So simply guys, I'm just using this keyword right as a keyword in a Google. Okay, Soul Manifestation. So if I type here guys, Soul Manifestation, right, review. Okay, and if I select this, here you can see these guys, all the people who has did the ClickBank product review. And here you can see one of the review called Soul Manifestation 2.0 review. Okay, with medium.com guys. Medium is one of the best way to promote your articles and blog guys. You don't need a website to promote it. If you open it here guys, and here you can see it's just very, very simple. So they have shared everything about the product. Okay, what is Soul Manifestation? If you click here guys, and if I buy, they will make a commission. It's just very, very simple thing guys. You don't need a website to do this guys. Any new product you can rank guys. It's not difficult. Let me show you a few of the more example over here. So here you can see one more product guys, Keto Virtual Summit. Let's open this product in another window, and here you can see this is the product page, right? You can get into the website, and this is also launched on 19th of this month guys. If I select this product from here, right, Keto Virtual Summit, and if I get into in the marketplace, and here you can see this Keto Virtual Summit. It's a very new product guys. You can make $19 with it. Okay, so let's get into Google here and see, right, look at the Keto Virtual Summit review, and look at this guys, how they are ranking in the first page. So you don't need a website to do this guys. Even if you're having a website, that's a great idea, but right, June 20, it's a 3-minute read, right, and Keto Virtual Summit review. Look at this, how they review this product. It's very, very easy to do guys. Even if you don't have a money, if you have a limited money, you can do this. If I click this product over here guys, I will get into in their sales page guys. Look at this. If I buy here guys, or if I registered here, they will make a commission from it. Okay, it's just very, very simple. You can check any of these product guys based on your niche. Okay, Cinderella Solution review. This is one of the best product on right health and fitness niche of ClickBank. Again, this is a little bit old products. So here I changed like Cinderella Solution Review 2020, because guys, product is old, so people use this strategy, like, right, they wrote Cinderella Solution Review 2020, and here also, here you can see medium.com. This is the best way to get the traffic, guys. Now you're 2 steps away from making money online with ClickBank, guys. No website needed. It's very easy, right, with free traffic. So smash that like button, guys, just smash it. And if you're first time watching, do subscribe my channel right away, right now. So the number one step is, guys, create your account with medium.com. It's free, and they also have 120 million reader across the globe, guys, and it's very free platform to write your voice. Okay, so now, guys, once if you make your account, this is your dashboard, and here you can see according to the topic which you selected, guys, you will see all the related articles over here. What you have to do is, guys, select here and write new story. And here you can see this, guys, you can put the images, videos, links, all this thing you can use. Now, guys, the second most important step is, guys, select one product which you want to review. My recommendation for you is, guys, stick to one niche, put the reviews related to one particular niche, like manifestation, okay, or maybe weight loss. So you have to open this, right, Soul Manifestation, see when this product has been launched, and then check in the ClickBank, guys, and look at this Soul Manifestation, and you have to open their review page, guys, their affiliate page. It's really important. This is the affiliate page, and look at this. They have already given email swipe, blog post, and reviews also. So you can also use blog post, guys, you can also use review. Okay, so right now I'm just clicking review here, and here you can see this, guys, they have given short reviews, long versions, all this is already there. So what you have to do, guys, just copy this review from here and just post it in medium.com, guys. It's just very, very simple. And I will also recommend you to post 1 or 2 different reviews, okay, once the product is been launched. So I'm just going to copy here, and you can post it here, guys. It's just very, very simple. Make more good, guys, because I'm just showing you at a demo right now. So you have to write very, very well. You have to also put some good, great title, right? This will be your headline, and you can put a lot of images here. Put your affiliate links. To get your affiliate link, guys, click here, promote, and this is your hop links right now. And then, guys, it's just very simple. Use in the right places. Okay, so many places you can use, right? You can make this size smaller, you can make it bigger, right? All these things you can do here. And you can put the affiliate link, right? Look at this link which I posted here. Once if you're done, guys, just publish it. And here you have to put the preview. You can put the preview over here and put some tags, okay, tag related to this post, okay, what this post is all about, like manifestation, name, all those things, and then you can select it, publish now. Look at this, guys, your story is published, right? And now you can share it, as well as, guys, once if you start writing more this kinds of blogs, guys, in a same niche, Medium is going to post it, right? They will understand that you're really serious about posting this kinds of niche related post, okay, and then slowly, guys, in the search engine optimization, you will get a lot of views, okay. Not only that, guys, anybody is going to search these terms like soul path reviews, your post will be there, okay? Like this, guys, here, Soul Manifestation Review. It's just very, very easy to do this, guys. Any beginners can do this. So hope you like this strategy, guys. If you really like this strategy, give the thumbs up to this video. And if you're first time watching, guys, do subscribe my channel right away, right now. Let me know more of your doubt. If you have something about this strategy, you can comment me down. So smash that like button, guys. Do subscribe it. Keep smiling. Thank you.